A niche is not a person. Every client is different. You'll meet various types of personalities in every niche. Yet, creating an ideal client profile is an extremely successful tool in discovering where to find your niche to market to them, as well as understanding the language to use on your sales pages and proposals. An ideal client profile, client persona, or client avatar is a fictional character you create that happens to have characteristics, likes, dislikes, needs, and goals just like every real person you meet. You can make more than one ideal client avatar based on changes of gender, age, or business size. I would caution you not to make too many. The goal here is to have 1 to 3 avatars that represent your most ideal client, the ones you really want to work with. For this lesson, we have a worksheet to help guide you on creating your client profile. You'll be making this ideal client profile based on your experience working with clients who fit your niche and you'd like to work with again. Some of the first items are going to be straight out of your imagination. Your client's name, age, gender, where they live, maybe even if they have a family or if they are single. These characteristics are only listed to serve you understanding the aspects of an individual that can dictate decisions and pain points. For example, if you have a family of your own that takes high priority and is the main reason you work from home, clients that have a family may be more understanding when you take time off or have to cancel a meeting for an emergency at school. If you are a female entrepreneur that is very active in social justice for women in the workplace, gender may play an important role in your larger mission and goals of your personal life. If you find that you are gifted in patience and helping others that struggle with tech, clients of an older age may be an ideal client who values your involvement and welcome the continual tutorials. All of these things are worth noting for your ideal client avatar. Does this mean you won't work with people who are single young males? Of course not. This isn't about excluding anyone. It's about recognizing who you serve best and who gets the most benefit out of working with you. Now, the other aspects of this client profile have to do with their business. What industry do they work in? Their job title and their yearly revenue. What are their big goals? What are their greatest challenges to reaching those goals and/or business growth? Again, this is all your imagination. Use the insight you've gained from past experiences. If you truly have no clue, view LinkedIn for some professionals and gather some information about them from their social profiles. This is all guesswork and imagination, so there's no right or wrong way to do this. One piece of advice is to get specific about who is a decision maker. Maybe your ideal client profile isn't the owner of the company, but the marketing manager. This marketing manager's goals are to lighten the load of their job and make them look good to the boss. As long as they are the decision maker for moving forward with the project, they are a worthy subject for your ideal client profile. Now, what about projects that involve more than one decision maker? This exercise is not the ideal business profile, but the ideal client profile. It's the point person you will be working with on the project, the decision maker, the one signing the proposal. If you think about it that way, it may help you narrow down the personality type you've worked with in those complex situations of too many cooks in the kitchen. Finally, choose an image from stock photos for your ideal client profile. This will help make them feel more real as you move forward in these lessons. This exercise reinforces a principle of marketing and networking to the decision maker. It can be enlightening and quite fun if you use your imagination. The ideal client profile comes in handy as we explore where to find these clients and how to communicate with them so they see you are their ideal web designer and developer. These additional questions are on your worksheet, and those are the ones we will work on next. So keep this profile handy as we move on to the next lesson.